All right, this is the firing order, 1, 5, 4, 2, 6, 3, 7, 8. This is the way that it works. This is cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So I'm going to be setting the time to 0 is the next step. They had it set close. You rotate clockwise, and in essence, we're at the top dead center right here. You can see this one is set on the intake stroke, and that's number 4. All right, can't tell with number 5, but I don't want to take any of that apart here. This is configured correctly. Small bolt there, the extension here. So let me rotate this to top dead center. Now, originally, this was set off at this angle. This says BTC before top dead center. (20°, 10 degrees. There is 0. There's 0 right there. Right, 0. You can see this one's here, and now you can see number 4 has it's ready. It's going to be on its compression stroke right there. Number 4 is on the compression stroke now. This is top dead center. That piston's all the way up there, and that's when the spark plug should fire. All right, let me go set this down. All right. So, anyone join? No, it doesn't look like I have any viewers. Oh well. Okay, so we're set good here. Let me stop the recording. No sense in putting it on the right way to start with. All right. Okay. Well, heck. All right. I'm not torquing these just yet. I'm just not even any tight. These are just to where they make contact. Okay. Okay. Now, right, so now I'm gonna tighten from the center out. About yay tight. Yay tight. All right, so there I have this. We're at top dead center, 0, and now I'm going to cut these later. Got to cut that off. That's for the heat shield for the plugs. So next will be install the distributor.